Guys, welcome back again to my channel. Welcome to another video. You guys, vlogging has been so difficult for me lately because I'll have to like carry Jasmine, Diana. Like, it's not like me picking my camera and I'm already vlogging. Now it's kind of difficult. I'll be using one hand to like push the stroller, another hand to hold Jasmine. Today I'm going for grocery shopping and I'll have to pick Jasmine from school now, and from there I'll head to the supermarket. Only God knows if I will be able to vlog. I've been craving fried rice, so I'll have to eat fried rice today. If not, I don't know when. Diana is sleeping. I've already put her in the car seat. It's sunny and cold at the same time, so I just have to start going. See you guys when we get to the supermarket or when I get home. Hopefully I'm able to vlog because I'm trying to document. I love documenting, I love vlogging, but it's just been a lot. I know I'm going to find a balance as time goes on and get used to it. But for now, please just manage the vlog I put out, short, long, anyone, okay? I just finished cooking fried rice and I also prepare puff puff mix. I'm going to do puff puff later in the evening, and later I'll also do meat pie filling. So maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow I'm going to be making meat pie for the very first time. You guys know that I had home accidents while pregnant and it still affects me till date. My hand it's still paining me, and this will be the first time I'm going to use it to make meat pie. I'm always craving meat pie because I love it so much. So I'm going to try it and see if I can do it, because the other time I tried making chin chin, I couldn't. I had to throw everything away because my hand is still paining me, it's still healing. So yesterday I couldn't vlog. Jasmine was just running everywhere in the supermarket. I was just running after her. So I have to buy this thing they used to put on baby's hands or toddler's hand and attach to your hand or your stroller. I really need to buy it because Jasmine, she's handful. Today I'm just taking all the advantage since my husband is at home. Today is Saturday and it's raining. He's not going anywhere. He's taking care of the children and I'm just doing my thing because all these snacks are very important for me at home to just be smacking on. So I'm going to do everything I can today. So when he's going to work, I'll not be like, oh, who will help me to hold Diana? Oh, who will help me to do this? Let me do that. That's what I've been up to. I'm feeling cold. My hair is very rough. I need to go and maintain my hair. Maybe next week. I don't know yet. Let's see how it goes. I have a lot of appointments next week. I was just seeing notifications on my phone that I should not forget that I have scan here. I have this appointment that they are reminding me. I'm like, oh God, when will I even rest? Anyways, I'm not complaining. I thank God. I will see you guys maybe later. I'm just relax a bit and come back to the kitchen to finish up what I want to do. See you later. Let me report myself to you guys. I don't know why I'm struggling to accept my new body. When I had Jasmine, I don't think I struggled this much before I realized that, okay, I just had a baby and this is my new reality. This is my new body. I'm going to love myself regardless. But this time around, you guys, it's a struggle. I'm no longer wearing M. I'm wearing L. Sometimes I wear extra large. Like, I'm adding so much weight, but I don't stop eating. Sometimes I'll be like, okay, let me do food portion control. Once I breastfeed Diana, it will look as if I want to faint. I will rush to go and carry food and I will start eating. And I don't even check the time I eat. I eat every time. So it's very difficult for me now that I'm breastfeeding to lose weight. Instead, I'm adding so much weight. and I'm scared that it will be difficult for me to lose all this weight because I'm one very lazy person when it comes to workout. What's your suggestion? Because I eat too much. Like I eat too much. When we went to this mall, my husband took me to this mall to go and do clothes shopping because my clothes are no longer sizing me. But I ended up in McDonald's to eat because I was complaining that I'm so hungry, and I ate before leaving the house. I actually bought clothes from different shops, but I was not able to show you guys because Diana was crying. So we went to several shops. Hey guys, welcome back. You guys, whew, I just got back from appointments, baby girl's appointment. Yesterday I went for an appointment. Day before yesterday, same thing. Today again, you guys, I've not been driving. It's been over a week. I've not been driving because I don't sleep at night. I don't sleep during the day. I'm always exhausted, so it's better for me to just like enter the bus. When I am inside the bus, I can also grab some sleep. Driving when I am exhausted is very, very risky. So I just parked my car. Obi was like, the insurance in this car, you want it to waste. So I had to explain to him like, Oga, I'm not sleeping in the day. During night time, I don't sleep. So how do I drive? It's not even safe. So I've just been entering bus, train to wherever I'm going to. So yesterday we went to do brain scan for Diana. Everything is fine. We did that brain scan before weeks ago. They said we should repeat it just to be sure. Everything we are doing for Diana, they will like want to do it twice or so just to be sure. You know, she's preterm. So we did brain scan. I didn't do this one when I had Jasmine. So she's fine. Everything is fine. Today we did other controls, blood tests, and the rest. She's doing okay. She's growing so fast. She's almost 4 kg. You guys, they dashed me milk today at the hospital. When I say dash me milk, I'm not talking about the smaller ones. You see that big can? That's what they gifted me today at the hospital. I was so excited because that thing cost over 30 euro. Anyways, we just got home. I'm trying to warm my milk. Let me see the temperature if it's okay. So baby girl will eat now. So me too, I'll go and eat and try to catch some sleep. She has been sleeping since. I know she will not sleep, but her father will soon be back. So when he's back from work, he can as well also hold that for me. Let me still catch small sleep. It's been a lot. I cannot complain. I give thanks to God. It's better for her to be at home with me, crying and disturbing me, than to be in that hospital inside that incubator more. It's not easy. Hey guys, good morning. I'm dressing up to go drop Jasmine off in school. Then I'll go and run some tests and also take appointment to see gynecologists because they asked I do this postpartum scan. Yeah, that's what they call it, after delivery. So I haven't done it, so I have to do like a general checkup as well. So today I'll do the blood test. Hopefully I get there on time. It's already 7:57 a.m. See madam, she has been crying. Choo Diana, she has been crying, but I've already given her food. So no, Mercy is not crying. So I've already given her food, so I'm just going to put her on car seat, so we have to the hospital. So I went to run the test and everywhere was so filled up. My number was 76, although I went early. So it later got to my turn after how many hours. I did the test. Only for me to be going home, it was raining heavily. So I had to eat, gather my strength, then enter the rain. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one.